It's Dave from the Fettlers here today. We're looking at this Honda 250 K4 1973. It's done on the clock. It's got 9,509 miles at the moment. Looks original. It's a little bit of chipping on the tank. The mudguards are a little bit rusty here and there. Somebody sprayed the engine. New fork shroud tops there. Both of those have been replaced. I like it. I like it like it is. It looks weathered. It looks its age. Back mudguard. It's rather solid if the chrome has deteriorated somewhat, but it would do, wouldn't it? It's nearly getting on 50 years old, isn't it? They're not particularly fast. We have reviewed a KO before. That's the earlier model, obviously. But I do like them. They're a good looking bike, old traditional. What I'm going to do, get the keys and start her up. We've got the keys, we've lifted the seat up. Seat seems solid. That's all original apparently. Yeah, I like it. It's got the right amount of patina, should we say, on it. Let's start her up then. The old keys around here in the old traditional place. Look, choke is there, I take it. Well, that started up easy, didn't it? Sounds a little bit tinny with those exhausts. I think they're David Silver Specials. But if you could get in there and listen to that engine, that sounds like a little sewing machine. Doesn't that engine sound sweet? Charlie's actually just said to us that very rarely does he get a bike in that he'd like to keep. He said, but he would really like to keep this one. He's considering keeping it for himself. It is on his website, and I just love that. You ride about on that. It looks the age, looks the part. I don't really like the engine where people have painted it, but the rest of it looks gorgeous. Let's get my lid on and take it round the yard. Wow, instantly this feels a nice little bike. We've got the front leading brake, twin leading brake, which is a work of art in my mind. Looks fantastic. Oh, it's a good front brake. When I did the CB250 the other week, the brake wasn't as good. But this will be quite well. I must say, this does feel like a nice little bike. It just feels right. I know it's an old 1973 motorcycle, but I mean, it's a comfortable little bike to ride. The brakes work well, sounds nice. Yes, it's a little bit tight for my 6 foot. I feel a little bit cramped. You know, it's not a lot bigger than a CD175 really, but it is a nice bike. I don't know what else to say really. Everything seems to work on it, you know. Been well looked after, you know. Been round the block a few times. But I'll tell you what, I can see why Charlie would like to keep this bike. That was a nice little ride. I didn't say a lot at all. It's such a fabulous little bike. That rides really well, and I'd be really happy to ride something like that if it was a little bit smaller. But no, very nice bike. Brakes really work well. Everything works well. Thanks for watching.